Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this one quite a bit. In fact, I did it yesterday and want to get things updated here. Although the chart is a little bit trickier to talk about because there's now perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell, let's just say within 25 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. Yeah, the price did pull back today. But from the big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had a different strategy and kind of perspective going into the trade. And the reason why I still call everything bullish, even with the pullback today, has everything to do with the price maintaining up above this green line here that I talked about yesterday as support at 0.0155. Let's just say that the price actually rolls back down here a few more times, behaves in this manner, fluctuates around there before eventually starting to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you still have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And, I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that yeah, if a move is bullish, if a move is truly in full control by the bulls, well then yeah, by definition, it's going to be progressing upwards. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they pretty much insult your intelligence. So you're maybe thinking, well, no kidding. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, you want to see a price put in higher lows, and that shows progress, and progress is what bullish movements do. Well, exactly, and that's what a chart is going to help us see. So again, preferably speaking, stay up above 0.0155. If the price cannot hold above there, the next key level is going to be staying up above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But as it stands right now, yeah, I get it. Today, the price pulled back. But think about that word, today. That's 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if they can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.